Ever wondered how to get Windows 11 running on a kiosk, a custom PC, or an industrial machine? The regular version isn't always the best fit, but that's where Windows 11 IoT Enterprise comes in. It's built for these special devices, offering longer support and powerful lockdown features. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to install it manually, step by step. It's a bit different from a standard Windows install, but don't worry, it's totally manageable. First things first, you need the installation media. The official way is to grab the ISO file from a Microsoft source, like a Visual Studio subscription or an OEM partner portal. The file you're looking for will be named something like Windows 11 IoT Enterprise to 2H.ISO. If you don't have this access, you'll need to go through your organization's licensing agreement. Once you have the ISO, it's time to create a bootable USB drive. You'll need a USB stick that's at least 8 GB. I recommend a tool called Rufus. It's free and easy to use. Just open Rufus, select your USB drive, and then for the boot selection, choose the IoT Enterprise ISO you just downloaded. Make sure the partition scheme is set to GPT for modern UEFI systems. Click Start, and Rufus will handle the rest, turning your USB into an installer. Now, take that USB and plug it into the device you want to install Windows on. You'll need to boot from it. To do this, restart the device and press the key to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. It's usually F2, delete, or F12. In the boot menu, set the USB drive as the first boot option. Save your changes and exit. The device will now restart and load the Windows installer from your USB. From here, it feels a lot like a regular Windows installation. You'll select your language, time format, and keyboard layout, click Next, and then Install Now. If it asks for a product key, you can enter your IoT Enterprise key now, or just skip it and activate Windows later. When you see a list of editions, make sure you select Windows 11 IoT Enterprise. Accept the license terms, and then choose Custom, Install Windows Only. This gives you full control. Select the drive where you want to install it. You might need to delete old partitions to create a clean space. Then click Next and let the installation run. After the installation finishes and the device reboots, you'll go through the first-time setup. This is where you'll set a device name, create a password, and choose your region. Since this is for an embedded device, you can often skip the Microsoft account setup and just create a local account instead, which is super helpful. Once you're on the desktop, the final step is activation and configuration. Go to Settings, then Activation, and enter your product key to activate your copy of Windows 11 IoT Enterprise. After that, install all the necessary drivers for your specific hardware, like for the chipset, graphics, and network card. And finally, you can start applying those special IoT lockdown features like Unified Write Filter or Assigned Access to truly customize the device for its purpose. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 IoT Enterprise. It gives you the power and familiarity of Windows 11, but tailored for specialized, long-term use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech guides.